Did you know that a simple potato in your car could actually save your life? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible potato trick that I'm sure you never knew existed. Car accessory companies won't be happy with this, and you won't find this tip in any manual. First, grab a potato and wrap it carefully with some adhesive tape. You only need enough tape to cover it completely without any gaps. Now, take a sharp knife and cut it right down the middle. For this trick, you'll only need one half, so set the other half aside. Take a clean towel or scrub pad and thoroughly wipe down your car's rear windshield. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I'd love to give you a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Margaret from Johannesburg. Thank you for tuning in. It's important to make sure the glass is completely clean for this trick to work effectively. Grab some more adhesive tape and stick it down the middle of your windshield to divide it into 2 equal parts. Potatoes aren't just for the kitchen. They contain natural starches that can work wonders on glass surfaces. Now, with the potato half, rub it on one side of the windshield exactly as I'm doing here. As you rub, you'll notice the windshield becomes a bit cloudy and streaked. But don't worry, that's exactly what we want. Right after applying the potato, take a towel and go over the same area, wiping in smooth, circular motions to even out any streaks. This will help create a smooth, invisible layer on the glass. Okay, on the left side, we'll leave the windshield exactly as it is. No potato, no wiping, nothing. Now, let's see the magic of this trick. I've got a hose here, which I'm going to use to simulate a rain shower on the windshield. Imagine this. You're driving at night, and it starts pouring rain. Rain droplets cling to your windshield, making it hard to see, especially with headlights from oncoming cars glaring through the water. We've all been there. Visibility drops, and it gets so frustrating. Now, let's test our potato-coated windshield. Spraying water on the untreated left side shows droplets clinging everywhere, just like it would if it were raining. But now, look at the right side, where we use the potato. The water simply glides off, leaving a clear, streak-free surface. This natural treatment acts like a rain repellent, letting water slide off smoothly and improving visibility during heavy rain. If you loved learning this hack, I've got another amazing video where I'll show you some hidden uses of onions that almost nobody knows. Click here to watch.